Okay, she's come out. Perfect. Okay, this third queen installed, so hopefully she does her thing. Get this cover back on this hive and get the heck out of here. Hopefully they'll accept her here in a couple days. Boom. We're back in action, baby. Woo! Whew. Glad I got that done. Put my honey supers back on. We'll come back and remove the cage here. A few days, a day or two. Oh yeah. Okay, it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna check the queens that I put in last night. Make sure that they've accepted her, and we'll go from there. And then she'll start doing her thing, and then next week I'm gonna get 3 more queen cells, and all my queens will be new for 2020. These ones you'll see they're marked blue, the fella that I bought them from, so I'll know that that's a 2020 queen. And the ones next week I'll mark blue also. So yeah, I'll show you what I do here and we'll go see what happens. This is hive 2. New queen installed here, hive 2. So we'll see what they did here. They're pretty calm, compared to the other hive I just come from. Okay, where's that cage? Right here. Okay, the queen's still in there, so let's take her out. She's in there, so let's pop this cage here and see what happens. There she is. She is out of the cage. And she's just barging through, like usual. She's right there. She's blue. Perfect. Let's get laying and she'll do her thing. It's awesome. Put this back down in here. Bring on the honey. Okay, all 3 queens were a success. So it's pretty awesome. So hopefully in the next couple 3 weeks will really start laying, and we'll go into fall with some strong hives, new vibrant queens. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.